Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So, as you can probably tell, my hair is now short. I think this is the first video I've done, like proper video, with my new hair. So yeah, I hope you like it. I quite like it. I just wanted to start fresh because my hair was so like damaged at the ends. So yeah, I just like chopped it all off. But yeah, today's video is going to be a collective haul, so it's just lots of different brands and little bits and pieces from shops I've picked up over the last 2 or 3 months. So I will be showing you all of them today, and of course everything will be linked down below, so I hope you enjoy. So first shop I'm going to start off with is Topshop because I have quite a few things from there. So the first thing is this little white denim skirt. Now I've been looking for a denim skirt for ages, but they're always too short on me. So when I saw that Topshop Tool came out with one, I was like, yep, I'm putting that in my basket right now. So yeah, pick this one up. It's perfect. I mean, it is still quite short on me. I'd say even if you're like normal height, I guess, or petite, I would still personally go for the Tool because yeah, it's still pretty short, as you can tell. But I love it. I'm obsessed with white denim skirts, and I'm not sure how much it was. I don't know, like £30 probably. So the next thing I got from Topshop are these little shorts. So they're like little safari shorts. That's what I like to call them. You know, if I was going on a safari, these would be what I wear. But I wear them like day to day anyway. I love them. I think they're so cute. They have these like massive pockets and everything. Again, I think they were around £30. I got these in a UK size 4, so I definitely like down size because I normally get a size 8 or 10 in Topshop, but for some reason these fit me. I mean, they are quite small around the waist, but I quite like that because it cinches you in really nicely. But yeah, I definitely feel like you can afford to go a size down because they are quite a kind of stretchy material. And then I also bought the matching jacket. However, I won't wear them together. I've tried them on, they just don't look good on me together. However, I have worn them separately. So yeah, this is the jacket. It's like a little bomber jacket in the same colour and everything. How much was this? I have no idea. I've taken the tags off because I've worn them. Probably about £30, £35 as well. I got this in a UK size 8. But yeah, I think it's going to be the perfect little jacket for autumn. Another jacket I got, because I'm obsessed with like jackets and coats and everything, is this cropped denim one. So it's like a super cropped denim jacket. Again, I think this was actually a bit more pricey. I think it might have been like 40 quid. But I got it in a UK size 6 and it is still quite oversized, so definitely recommend sizing down in these. I could probably have gone for a size 4, but I couldn't find any in store. But yeah, I love it. I think it's perfect for summer where you just want to throw something on. Also picked up some mum jeans. So these are just the Topshop mum jeans. I've never actually bought a pair of them before, so I thought I'd pick some up. So these are in the waist 28, length 32, and they fit me perfectly. But yeah, I quite like the style of them. They're probably not as high-waisted as I normally go for, but yeah, I thought why not. Also from Topshop, I mean, I did get these things over about 2 or 3 months. I didn't just do like one massive order. It's this just like cream blazer, super slimline and kind of classy, I would say. This was £65, so pretty expensive. However, I did borrow my friend's student discount, so I did get a little bit more money off, but definitely a bit pricey. I got it in a size 8. However, I do think it's just a classic to have in your wardrobe, and this one is really good quality, and I like the button and everything. So yeah, I do think I'll wear this lots kind of in the summer and in the autumn and everything. Okay, last thing I got from Topshop, but it's not actually Topshop, it's from the brand Nobody's Child, but I got it on like the Topshop website, and it's just this little like long sleeved crop top kind of thing. It has a super pretty like little print. It's like a floral kind of thing. I just think it's really cute. It's super flattering on, just with denim shorts or with like the white denim skirt. I think it would look really good. So I have been wearing this quite a lot. I don't know the price again because I took off the label, but I'll link it down below, so if you want to go check it out then you can. However, I think it was about £20. Next up, I've got two pairs of trousers from Opoly. They're exactly the same trousers, just in different colours. They're super like easy, plain, ribbed trousers. They're kind of slightly wide-legged. But yeah, they're just super comfortable. I say super so much. They're just really comfortable to wear day to day. You know, you can dress them up of an evening if you wanted to. However, you can also wear them just during the day with like trainers. They come up really high-waisted on me, which is good. Only thing that annoys me is the pockets are fake. Like, they're not actually real pockets, which really annoys me. So yeah, and then this is obviously the cream. It is quite cream. I know it's coming up more white on camera, but if I compare it, actually you can't see the comparison, but it is quite cream. It's not white, so you can't actually pair it with like white clothing because it looks a bit weird. I have some shorts from Pretty Little Thing. These are just cream belted shorts. I'll insert a picture because I wore them the other day with like a little pink top and I think they look really nice. Yeah, super easy for summer. I like them. They're in, I don't know, it's like a linen material, I would say. But yeah, super easy to style. I got them in a size 8 and I think they were around £25. This is a little bag. It's from the brand Teddy Blake. Now I have a grey like crossbody bag from them and I wear it daily, so I picked up this one as well, or they sent it to me very kindly. It's a little bucket bag. It fits quite a lot in it and you can just tie it up and then wear it over like one shoulder. I can't wait to take the tags off now and actually wear it properly. But yeah, I will link it down below in case you're interested in picking it up. So moving on to Revolve. Now I'm obsessed with everything on Revolve. Like, their stuff is a bit more pricey, like I will tell you that. It's not ASOS kind of misguided pricing. It's definitely more on the pricey range, but their stuff is just amazing. So I got a few things from there. They kindly sent them to me for like Instagram posts. But the first thing I got is this little skirt. So it's like a midi skirt, but it has this little like slit that kind of, was it slit or split? I have no idea. Kind of wraps around and just buttons up. This is the perfect little like holiday skirt. It just screams holiday vacation kind of look. But yeah, I'm obsessed. I definitely will wear this on holiday. I've already worn it in London as well. But yeah, also picked up these little shorts which are so cute. Like, I'm obsessed. I'll insert a picture again because I've already worn them. But yeah, I just think they're the cutest little things. They're from the brand Academy, but they sell it on Revolve. Yeah, I'm in love with them. They're so comfortable, such good quality, and I paired them with this little black top which is from Marjorelle, I think that's how you say it. So it's this little like black kind of frilly sleeved top. Again, it's really cute. From Revolve again. I think, I'm not sure how much these were, but I think over the £100, I'm pretty sure. Next up we have this little Metallica crop top. Again, I'm gonna be honest with you guys in saying that I don't actually listen to Metallica, but I'm one of these girls that will buy just a band tee or whatever because it looks good. So yeah, I picked up this. I do really like the look. I think it looks great with denim shorts. And then I also picked up this t-shirt dress from there. So it kind of just goes down. It's just really plain, but it has that at the front and then that at the back. Yeah, I love this as well. It's super easy to like chuck on around the house and just wear at home, but you can also style it up and wear it out the house. However, it is that little bit too short on me to wear it outside, I think. So it's more of just like a inside throw on to be comfortable kind of top.